All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. We are proud to present this 2017 Nissan Versa. It is the SV model. It's beautiful white with black interior. Premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Super nice, only 37,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Yeah. I have a little dent here, looks like about 6 inches. And a heavy scratch down here, about 3 inches. The fender, got a dent down here, about 3 to 4 inches from there to there. It's got another little dingy there, about 2 inches. And on the door, about 2 inches as well. All right, here's your rear passenger, your front driver's hubcap. Tire thread is under 730 seconds. I'm gonna double check that. That's right, under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. A hairline. This is a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals, I believe, still wrapped up in its package. Get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You get your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 37,622. Pretty much completes the tour. Turn on the lights. Keep it moving. Rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good on deck lid. Looks nice. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, no, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Nice little spoiler as well. On this quarter, looks okay, seems to have a little chippy there. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. The tire thread back here is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And your front fender looks pretty darn good. Here's your front driver's front passenger hubcap and your tire thread. Under 730 seconds, above 4. Double checking it here. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Versa SV model with 37,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.